A very warm good morning to everyone present here. This is Suman Kumari, a third year trainee of Department Mechatronics and Smart Factory from RNTC Centre, presenting to you a short talk on auto transformer. So this is the list of the sub-contents that I'm going to cover today. So before getting into the introduction, let's first discuss why do we need an auto transformer. So an auto transformer is generally used in application of an induction motor, as an induction motor draws a very high starting current, generally 6 to 10 times greater than the full rated capacity. So we use an auto transformer for the starting of an induction motor with the tappings at 60, 70 and 80%. So what is an auto transformer? An auto transformer is a single laminated core transformer that has got a single winding and a terminal of which is common to both the primary and the secondary sides. Talking about its construction, it has got a single core surrounded by the conductor, which generally of copper. It is used so because of the low resistive property of it, and a carbon brush running around the periphery of the winding so as to get the tappings. This is the core of an auto transformer. It's a rectangular core and the windings are generally around the limbs of the core. So the core is generally laminated with an impregnated paper or mica so as to reduce the losses. So an auto transformer works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which states that if there is a relative motion between the magnetic field and the conductor, which generates an current into the conductor. So auto transformer uses a time varying magnetic field to transfer the power. As the primary side is supplied with the AC supply of 230 degree. Generally we use 230 for this single phase transformer, and we also have a three phase transformer. Here I am talking about a single phase transformer. So we'll give a supply of 230 volts AC towards the primary side, and the secondary side has got tappings around the whole winding. So the secondary side is not electrically isolated from the primary side, yet it is a magnetically coupled device. So the power transferred is always less than unity. So we can conclude that it cannot be used as a step-up transformer in that scenario. The application of an auto transformer involves power transmission in the distribution systems, starting of induction motor, as I stated earlier, in audio systems, in railway systems, and in power grid systems of different applications or in different industrial applications. See, advantages of the auto transformer is that it uses really comparatively less quantity of copper as compared to a two winding transformer. So it costs relatively less, and the weight of the auto transformer is also less as compared to a two winding transformer. It is also smaller in size and has got better voltage regulation. It requires a very small exciting current. Talking about the limitations, the output is no longer isolated from the input, as we use a single winding, so there is no isolation between the windings but a magnetically coupled device. It is not safe for an operation because of the isolation property. The short circuit current is much larger in this case as compared to a two winding transformer. But another point that I would like to discuss with you people is the application of an auto transformer could not be rated above 420 volts. So it is generally used for low voltage applications in industries and laboratories for education. So I would like to conclude the whole topic as auto transformer should be used every place and every time as applicable. It is much efficient, it has constant power and constant flux through which it works, and relatively less price, comparatively less in weightage and size. A better regulation of voltage is also provided and less starting current. Thank you.